Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I will discuss about formal and informal communication. This is lecture 5. Till now I have uploaded total 4 lecture on this topic. You can check out them. Those who are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And quiz link is active. That link is given on the Instagram. So go to our Instagram handle and check out the link. Instagram link is given in the description box below, so you can access our Instagram from there. Here we start. The first thing is that has been made into formal and informal. This formal is subdivided into oral and written. So we will discuss them one by one. Under formal communication, we have to follow certain rules, regulations, convention or protocol. That means it has a fixed format that has to be followed under formal communication. So remember this, F for formal and F for fixed. Okay, so it has fixed rules and regulations. It can be upward or downward across hierarchy. That is, this formal communication most of the time relates with vertical communication, that is from top to bottom or from bottom to top, and this communication takes place between superior and subordinate. This communication, they have to use right language and correct pronunciation. Because of the fixed format, because of the rules and regulations that has to be followed, they have to do this. They have to use correct grammar. There should be no error in the usage of grammar, the language, the style of conveying, everything matters in it. So it is formal. Next one is informal communication. So under informal communication, there is no rules, there is no regulations. Okay, remember, no rules, no regulations. This exists along with formal communication. So when there is any vertical communication going on, that is between boss and subordinate, under that scenario they are having formal communication, but they can also have informal communication along with that. Okay, that is why this formal communication exists along with formal communication. So this informal communication is takes place most of the time when there is any interpersonal communication going on between two people, or there is any lateral communication. I have discussed about all these types of communication, so you can go and check them. So under informal communication, there is use of body gestures a lot, and I have told you that body gestures constitute the major portion of our communication, that is non-verbal. So under informal communication, there is no fixed rule, no regulations, and because of that it becomes very flexible in nature, and it allows the person to use body gestures to express themselves freely, openly, without any rules, without any conventions that has to be followed. So they are free in their own way to express themselves with the help of their body language, gestures, facial expression. Like, they are very free to convey and express themselves. So this was all about informal communication. If you really like this video, then please like it, share it and subscribe to the channel. Please do give feedback in the comment box below. You can join us on Telegram and follow us on Instagram. On Instagram you will get quiz links, and quiz link is given there. You can access them now, and the links for the Instagram and Telegram is given in the description box below. So go and check out our Instagram handle, follow us there and participate in the quiz. Thank you.